to do anything super crazy though. The list race is next week, but I don't know. Just gonna try to enjoy the night. I didn't go last weekend because I had a sinus infection, so I stayed home. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. At least I got some entertainment while I'm sitting in traffic. Oh my God, I got gas. It reads backwards, by the way. I went to come back the other way, and it's just more standstill traffic this way, trying to go the back way. And it's ridiculous. There are way too many people here. I don't get it. Well, there was a wreck this way. At least there's an excuse for this way. It's because there's too many people here and they don't know how to drive. We're Nitrous buddies again, right?
That's right. I'm gonna drive them home, right?
Yeah, I know. We're out here doing Nitrous things. So, yeah, I finally made it here. I got some spark plugs. The bottle that Rob gave me, whoever Rob is, he's around here somewhere. It's a Sunnyfield bottle, and it has way more nitrous in it. It's not a bunch of air like before. So I'm not gonna add any timing back. I'm gonna leave it the way it is, but I'm gonna have it cut on at 4,500, and I got it cutting off at 7,350, and I rescaled this. So we're gonna make a pass, read a plug, and see how it does. There's number one right there. felt better. It smelled different for sure. Probably wasn't a great time, but it felt better at least. It put my radio out of tune. I don't know. What's that noise? Was that thing making a noise? I hear something humming. Mile an hour, 106. Something's wrong. That's weird. Something's wrong. I don't know. Fucking radio. I was like, what the fuck is that? I switched it to AM. I thought I turned it off. I'm on high alert right now. It's not working right. Yeah, we're good. Thanks, bro. What's up, bro? Do what? I want to drive it home. Oh, it's that fucking air compressor.
Good air pressure, hit it one more time.
Well, that's funny. That stayed there the whole time. Well, I don't know. It picked up a little bit, but it's going slower. I don't know. There's only 20 minutes on the lanes, or well, probably 15 now. So I'm not going to make another pass. I'll save what nitros I got for next week. Might load the old tune back in and see if that changes anything. I don't know what happened, but, well, next week we're going to do the 864 streetcar list, and I'll have some more footage of that. As always, appreciate you watching. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see y'all on the next one. Later, y'all.